blowing smoke.
No, they're coming out their back door.
Yeah, they're blowing smoke out here. It's crazy.
You don't want that.
You don't want that. Well, they doing it. They doing it.
You don't want that.
All the maps.
Yeah. That's how they make up. I'm trying to talk to that guy. Fuck the hell with your antenna.
Uh-oh. Here he comes.
I should move that butt duck conduct blade.
Uh-oh.
This little butt duck in the northwest corner got down.
I'm recording, so watch what you say. Yep, I know who that was.
Slick Rick. So what's going on, Mr. Slick Rick? Mr. Rick, you know this guy really well. So we get on out of here, Mr. Worldwide 3doubzero. Don't back this man down. Hey, 270 3doubzero on the coast. Easy up out here. I'll see you. 270. It's talk time today, and I thought I'd come out here and do it one more time. I was doing a Facebook live feed, and everybody's like, where are you, BBI? Why aren't you out here playing with us? So, the long short story long, here I stand. Mr. 88 in the Mojave Desert, your friend BBI looking at you. Hey, he better not change the thing. Take care, 270, he's up out of here, man. Hey, Switchblade, he better not change the thing. 3doubzero is quiet, bye. That's right, I'll see you, bye, 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 bye. The power of the dark side. Well, as always, Slick Rick, I gotta tell you, buddy, your D104 audio is cutting everybody else's head clean off. Put a big old hammer out here in Idaho once again. Of course, that is your reputation, my friend. Bye, Blade. I believe you're on the ground plane of some kind. But hello, Mr. Rick. Mr. 88 in the Mojave Desert. The big old hammer coming up into my radio. I'm going to wave at you. Hey, good job. My bad, I was just passing through trying to have a little fun. Hey, babe, just have a little fun. What's going on? Hello, Switchblade on 3doubzero. Cleaning my total. But damn, brother. Well, it's working. I'm not going to talk no more shit about Radio Shack antennas. This is all I will say. I'll see you. Bye. I think that tops my Graco radio that I'm talking about. Hey, Switchblade, take you out. Get out there. 3doubzero, I'm standing by. You know, I always wondered why Radio Shack, they totally missed the boat, man. They tried to put themselves in the store on the game. They should have done is stay true to the game and adapted with the technology and gone and become the world's largest, cell phone repair center. Period. They had the locations, they had the access to the people. I don't get it. But they went another way with it. Anyhow, Mr. 88 Mojave Desert, your friend BBI here in the corner looking down that way. And I keyed to let you know I got it all. Hey, Arthur, I keyed this thing down one more last time just to let you know I got it all. Mr. King Arthur, see you in October. 3doubzero is out. Bye, bye, bye. The Wild Wild West is gone. And you locked out 88 out of my radio, and you said your handle was Mr. Something Something, and that Mother Nature took you away from me, brother. But I heard you put the wave at me. I mean, you're my valuable man, don't you? You're the best. Mr. 55 something, I think. Maybe in the corner looking down the hill. Towards the southwest tip of Arizona. He said, ask him something, I couldn't get it all. If he said, ask him something, but I couldn't get it all. I think I heard 137 come out of that mess. You guys are not going to believe it. I got a video gig going and I got an audio line level gig going. So you guys, I'll marry the two together in post, and you guys can look at what's going on in my radio. You guys are jumping off the hook right now. Mr. 137, your friend, BBI in the corner looking down. Break. I said, oh, in 2020, you come up in my radio full bore, brother. Good afternoon, William T. Mr. 2020 in California. Look back at you. CCB. Hey, Blade. CC Bill? CC Blade. Bye. I said, we'll catch you later, 2020. I come down as soon as you come up. You have a beautiful weekend as well. Enjoy this holiday coming out your direction. Mr. 2020, BBI in the corner. Good now. Bye. I'm supposed to tell 2020 something. 2020 something. It's about taking a backseat in the bus. Shit. Yeah, I got down. Well, 2020, you don't got to worry nothing about it. One guy's hitting me at 9, and you're hitting me at 50. So it's actually the other way around. You can tell him to go to the back seat on the bus. Just don't play with the back door and set off the alarm. The bus driver get pissed. I'll see you bye. You better get that love out of here. You better get that undercover love out of here. Hey, Switchblade, that might not look too good on the other side. Blade, he got to get the undercover out of here. I'll go. Bye. You know, man.